Okay, so in this video I'll show you that how to install a graphics card in your CPU, and what I have is the 1 gigs of DDR3 NVIDIA graphics card. So this was running smoothly for over 3 years now, and I just noticed that some points are damaged, or the graphic card causes the problem with my monitor. So I just cleaned this up, and now I will show you that how do we install this graphics card. So first what I have to do is just remove this one strip over here, and then what I have to do is just I have to go like this, and you can see here this is the port here, right here, another one is here, this is the lock right here, and just go ahead and simply put this off, remove this lock here, and just press your graphic card. Make sure that the ports are correctly pressed and you do not break your graphics card. So go just like this and press it like this. Alright, so now you can see that we have pressed this graphic cards and it's working perfectly. Here is the lock, you can just press it back to remove the graphics card. So yeah, it's perfectly fit right here, you can see, and our lock will go just like this, super smooth, and we can screw this bolt over here. So that's all, guys. This is the video that shows you how to install the graphics card. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe it and press the notification bell, and I will see you in the next video. So thanks for watching this video.